Hello and welcome back to Home Go Time, your go-to destination for inspiration and ideas in home decor and design. DIY vintage rustic farmhouse cottage decor ideas to add charm to your home. DIY vintage rustic farmhouse cottage decor is a beautiful way to add personality and warmth to your home. This style celebrates simplicity, time-worn finishes, and cozy details, making each space feel lived in and loved. Whether you're repurposing thrifted finds, crafting your own wall art, or styling with natural textures, the possibilities are endless and budget-friendly. In this video, we'll walk you through charming DIY ideas that blend vintage charm, rustic textures, and cozy cottage touches. From creating distressed wood shelves and mason jar lighting to styling antique decor with floral fabrics and lace accents, each project helps bring character into your space. These ideas work for any room and are perfect whether you want to make a bold statement or simply add subtle charm. Discover how easy it is to bring your dream rustic cottage home to life with simple, creative DIYs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration.